Hi there, this video will give you a brief introduction to using virtual clickers with TurningPoint, Western's official class response system. I will walk you through the steps of registering as a presenter, downloading the application, creating question lists, incorporating questions with PowerPoint, as well as polling options. Let's get started. In order to use virtual clicker for your classroom at Western, first, you need to fill in the clicker adoption form at presswestern.ewo.ca. This will give you access to two things. First, the Press Western user group worksite in OWL, where you can download the TurningPoint application and install it for your computer. Second, you will receive an email from TurningPoint with your ResponseWare presenter account, which is what you will be using to log in for virtual clicker instructor role. Once the file is done downloading, you can go ahead and install TurningPoint on your computer. Launch TurningPoint will give you three options for polling: PowerPoint, Anywhere, and Self-Paced. You can create your question list by going into Content tab, create Content, New, and Question List. Name your question list, and create the list of questions you would like to poll the student during class time. If you have created your question list on your laptop and would like to use it in your classroom, remember to export the question list and bring it on USB. To export the question list, right-click the question list you would like to export and click Export. Select a directory you would like to export to and click Save. When you have arrived at the classroom, first launch TurningPoint and connect to ResponseWare. Change the server URL to virtualclickers.ewo.ca and log in with your username and password you have received in the ResponseWare email. Click Login. Once you're connected to ResponseWare, you can choose the question list you would like to create the poll from. If you do not see the list of questions you created, click Content and import your question list from USB. I will choose Questions for Orientation as I have demonstrated before and click PowerPoint Polling. It is very important to open PowerPoint through TurningPoint instead of opening it before you launch TurningPoint application. Once all the questions have been imported, you will see the TurningPoint menu bar on top of the PowerPoint. You can use the first slide as an instruction slide to tell the student how to participate in virtual clickers. Once your students are connected, you're ready to click Start and start the polling for this classroom. Advance the slide like the PowerPoint, and once you're ready to start the poll for an individual question, click the play button and you will see the poll is open. There are many different polling options for TurningPoint. You can play around with the settings and see how they fit in with your classroom. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact the instructional designers at the faculty.